it's me again. Before you do anything, click all those buttons, smash the like button, glue the like button, lick the like button, do whatever you gotta do, subscribe, whatever. This is the weekly What's New. I got something really cool. I got another tricycle. Probably the last one. Maybe. After I get rid of one. Anyway, I got another. I have an ATC 70 now. A little tiny one. A little bitty one. I'll show you it in another video because it's the weekly What's New, not the weekly show to What's New. I got another switch I'm working on. And what else? I got a couple of more tool reviews, but I'm going to try to get this trike cleaned up so I can put it back together. I want to get it back. I want to get it, put it back to at least rolling because I want to get the other ones rolling. So this one doesn't look like, I'm lying when I say this. It doesn't look like a massive job at the moment. I just want to get the, I got it for now. I'm going to put it on the side. And when I hit, probably when I'm done with some other parts next month, I'm going to pick up a set of steering stem bearings and some rear bearings for it. And I'm going to basically get it rolling. That's all I want to do for now. Get it rolling, and then I'll see what I need. I already know I need a chain cover because the chain section is the chain guard. I need an engine guard. I think probably needs a new engine. That'll work on this summer. They're expensive though. I know with this tariff shit, I might get more expensive. What else? Got a couple of. I got one or two new tool reviews, which I basically bought the tool and used it because I needed it. And I was like, you know what? Let's look for a cheap one. You probably know what it is too. I'm gonna get stuff sent to Potter. I've been so busy working on a house. Still not done. Almost house is coming along. So with that said, there's not much else. This won't be a trike channel forever. It'll go from a trike fixing channel to a channel where I just ride trikes and then fix them when they break, not just rebuild them. And if you haven't been here, if you're new to my channel, you'll know that it takes me a long time to do things because I only do this a couple hours a week or when I'm done. So, and in the next couple of weeks, the weather's getting really warm. I'm going to be doing one tank at a time. I have this 200 tank. I want to get, I'm looking, what is it? Why can't it? I'm going to dip it in some, probably Vapor Rust first, maybe. I don't know if I have enough. I might get one or two more things of Vapor Rust. I might just fill the tank, put it in a plastic bag, and then dump it back out in the Vapor Rust. I'm going to do that. You Vapor Rust the tank. I got to put it in vinegar. Actually, I should just put it in vinegar. I don't really care. I'm probably going to put it in vinegar, see if it leaks. If it doesn't leak, I'll let the vinegar set, get all the rust out of it, clean it out a couple times, and then with that, I will, what was I say? I'm going to probably clean it out with acetone after. Put the Caswell liner in that one, and then I'll work on Caswell coating the other tank, the brand new tank, and then I'm probably going to put the brand new tank in some Vapor Rust because I think there's only a little section I'm going to put in there. So I might just Vapor Rust the top little. I'm going to check it out with a camera first, see what's in there. I don't think there's no rust in it. I might just plug the bottom and fill the whole thing up with Vapor Rust just to make sure. Dump it out, I'm going to line that tank. Just because I want to. And with that said, after I line that tank, it needs a new petcock. I have to order that. I'm going to prime it and paint it red and put it on the bike. Those two will be gone. This one I'm going to put back on the bike. I'm going to put the carburetor on, and I'm going to find all the bolts I dropped on the floor and try to put the bike back together. And I probably will need some more bolts for this bike, so I'm probably going to go on ePay and buy a few more whacks of random bolts. With that said, I'll be getting a new set of tires. Actually, I got to check my storage. I think I have another set of tires that actually hold air. My wife's ATV 4Trax 250 is a flat. It's got 40-year-old tires on it. It's gonna have a flat. It's got the original Otsu tires. So I was thinking of taking the tires off. Maybe I'll just cut out the little Otsu label and keep it on like a plaque or something. Just for fun. I don't know. Yeah, I should cut the sidewall. Make a what do you call it? Like a sidewall wall thing, just for the fun of it. With that said, that's pretty much it. It's just bikes and bikes. I got to clean my bench off. I'm doing some surgery on some switches. I have all the I have all the wires, so I'll be rewiring one of these things. This one, the problem is the rewiring, because see, these things are, I don't know if you hear that? That's the wire cover. It's definitely snap, crackle, and pop ready. So I'll be rewiring this one just to see. I have a, where is it? One that's kind of brand new. I don't know where it is. Where's this one? Oh, here it is. I have this one I'm rewiring. It's for 4-Trax 300. See how nice it is? It's got the wires cut. I cut them off. I'm going to resolder all the proper wires on here. I have the connector and I'm missing a bullet connector, but that's not a big deal. I can fix that later. I have another one done. Shed is still peanut buttery muddy. In 2 weeks I'm going to get the roof for it. I'm going to put the roof on the shed. I'm going to get this bike out of here so I can work on this one. If I get this one running, I think I'm going to sell it. I don't think I want it, but I'm probably going to drive it and be like, oh, I don't want to sell it. I'll put it in the shed, but I'm going to drive that one out of here, put it in the shed. I have to, I'm moving my welding machine closer to the door, because after I get that out of here, I have one little bolt to weld on this rack. One little thing I have to weld it, retap it. I don't know if I could, well, it shouldn't be too mild. I have to weld it, retap the hole, make sure all the bolts thread properly, and send it powder coat. Once that gets powder coated, I'm going to put those fenders on that rack and the back lid and put on the other bike. So that way, and I have to take the bottom skid plate off. I want to repaint that. I'm not going to powder coat it. I might just wire wheel it and repaint it, because there's no need to, powder coat it. So there's things happening. They're not happening as fast. If you've been to my channel, you know that I've downgraded the amount of videos I do. I mean, I could put a video up every day of the week if I really wanted to, but I'm not that motivated anymore. I've basically been having videos Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, weekly what's new every Monday, and I try to possible to do a Toolie Tuesday. If I don't have anything, I don't post it, but I try. And thank you for everybody watching. If you're my 1,790 something subscriber, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers. It's kind of cool. I have my own channel. I'm doing stuff, and I still haven't made no money. I'm not doing this to make money anyway. My goal is a pizza, though. My goal is to get monetized and order a pizza. That's my whole goal. I don't have anything. I don't have all these fancy channels. So with that said, I have a box of parts going out. Stuff's happening, and I'm just doing the same thing I like doing. And I have a camera mount for my bike, so you'll see some driving videos. I'm supposed to go mud bogging soon. I don't know if my phone can handle mud bogging, but I'm gonna try. I think that's all I got for this week. Oh, and I probably shouldn't video up. Maybe I will. There's a dead cat in the side of my garage that I put a shovel and ting, give him a burial somewhere. My father-in-law says just dig a hole anywhere and bury it. So the ground's still frozen, so it gets nice, and I don't want to bury the cat in a mud pit. I'd rather let it dry out a little, then bury it. But let's get into the season where it's almost going to bloat, so I gotta give it a good send-off. There's a whole herd of feral cats behind here. There was about 20 of them one year, and then the hawks take them out. You know, we're going this guy. There was at least 20. Then it would dwindle down to 3, and now there's back to 6. They're all big and fuzzy too. After winter fur. My wife wants to keep them all. No, we don't. We have 2 cats. We don't need any more. 2 cats and 4 kids. No, enough. And a dog. So, thanks for watching. Toodles. Hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.